first of all, thanks a lot you guys for watching my videos. And why am I saying that is the reason we have got 300 freaking subscribers, and it's all because of you guys. Thanks a lot guys for watching my videos. We have finally reached the milestone of 300 subscribers. I know it may sound less, but it's a lot for me, so thanks a lot. And now with this, let's start this video. Everyone, this is CS184. So it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. It's been 2 weeks, and the reason for this is that because I haven't been able to upload. I didn't have any chance to upload any video because my half yearlies are coming and I need to prepare for them. But anyways, so today's topic is, today we're gonna transform Windows 7 into something modern but still the Windows 7 style. Now yeah, this might sound kind of stupid, but let us see what will it do. Anyways, now first things first, you need to patch your theme engine, the engine due to which Windows can make you choose visual styles and all. Now the links in description. The link in description is for UxStyle core only for Windows 7. Do not try to install on Windows on operating systems further Windows 7. Now this can also be installed on Windows 7 or any operating system below Windows 7. That's also applicable. But for now, we are gonna install UxStyle for Windows 7. Okay, so there's agreement and all, just agreed, and now it's installing. So it may ask for some administrative privileges. Just give it to them. They are really trustful, don't worry about that. Okay, so now it's installed. Now there's a theme known as Windows Release Previews theme for Windows 7. Now before Windows 8 was released, there were 3 preview builds for Windows 8. The first one was Windows 8 Developer Preview, the second was Consumer Preview, and the third was the Release Preview. Now the theme of Windows 8 Developer Preview was really different from that of Windows 7, but resembled in some aspects. But from Consumer Preview, things started to change and it looked like Windows 8 Release Preview theme, but still it was little different and it was work in progress. So I'm just using the Windows 8 Release Preview theme because I think it looks great. And anyways, so the link for the theme is there in the description, and here I've got the theme. We just need to extract it first. Okay, so after extracting, we get this folder Windows 8 Release Preview theme. Now delete the Windows 8 RP extras. You don't need it. You don't need to make your Windows look like Windows 8 or 10. So we just need to, this Windows 8 Release Preview theme. Just copy this whole folder. Oh, don't copy this whole folder. Just copy these 2 files. And also, first of all, there's 2 folders in Windows 8 Release Preview theme. There's taskbar on top or right and taskbar on bottom or left. Now whatever kind of taskbar you have, just choose that folder. And always we need to choose start menu without user picture because we don't have one. Now copy these both files and go to your computer, go to your Windows drive, Windows folder, and then go to resources, into themes, and just paste it there. Okay, so these themes are placed. Now we just need to go to our desktop, click personalize and choose the theme we just installed. Okay, so this theme is set. You might see a lot of differences in this theme. The corners are now pointy or sharp or whatever you prefer to call it. The close buttons don't resemble what they were in Windows 7, and also this user profile is gone now. But anyways, let's focus on what we are doing now. Now you might see I have a little bit different icons in Windows 7, for example here, and these guys too. Now the reason for that is I installed the icon pack on which I found on internet, and it was for Windows. They were the Windows 10 icons for Windows 7. Now you need to install it too if you want the modern look. Just if you want a little more modern, but it's not really important. The visual style was most important, but anyways. Now let's see the icon pack. Okay, so here we got the Windows 10 icon pack folder for Windows 7. Now here we've got this icon pack folder, and also you now need this WinRAR program to open this file, otherwise you will see a .001 extension. If you don't want to install WinRAR, just change the .001 extension to .zip and extract it through the integrated zip extractor in Windows. Now after getting this folder icon pack, just run this admin and it will process as normal, and after that just run this cycle files as admin and it will process, and then it will ask you to restart. Now I can't show this process because if I would restart I would lose all my recordings, but anyways, after installing the icons, now we need something more, and that's the Start Orb. Now the Start Orb in Windows, it looks really good, I have no doubt in that, but still we are giving it a little modern touch. Now the Windows 7 Start Orb changer is just in the description, just download it, and after downloading just change the file extension from exe1 to .exe, otherwise the file won't run. Now the Start Orb I'm going to use has its link in the description, so you can easily download it. After clicking the select and change start button, just go wherever you have changed, just place your Start Orb. I have placed it somewhere here, I believe, yes, so I have got it in new, and that's it. The start menu is changed. Okay, now again we will go to personalize. We are going to Windows color. Now just click enable transparency. If you don't want to, it's okay, but click enable transparency and just keep the color intensity to 0 if you want full transparency. Now this might be not a good thing for my viewers who don't have a good eyesight, but you can again change the color intensity to full or even medium if you want. Now the next thing we are gonna do is to change our boot screen. Now boot screen is the first thing you see when your operating system is booting, and in Windows 7 we see this beautiful boot screen with starting Windows written on it. Now we are gonna make things a little more modern right here. Now first of all, just download the Windows 7 boot updater, and first of all let me find it first. Okay, so I have got it here. After running it, just download the file in description. It's Windows 7 boot screen.bs7. Just go to file, click load boot screen skin, and wherever you have saved it, just select it. That's it. Now after doing that, you will get a boot screen like this, and now we're gonna edit it a little bit. So this boot screen belongs to someone else on DeviantArt. I will give the credits in the description, so be sure to check them out as well. Now we're gonna have only one message right here. If you want, you can keep two messages, but we are going to have one message. Now just change the position to 200, the font size to 25, and edit the text to starting Windows. Okay, so that's a little better. Now we're gonna change the color. I prefer just whitish gray, and the same goes for resuming. Just change this text to resuming Windows and have 200 here, and in font size just use 26. Now again there's gonna be only one message, so and again now we're gonna have a color like that. It won't make any difference if you don't change the color, but it's just for your own good. Also the position is 25, both sides. I did a little thing wrong, but anyways, sorry for that. Okay, so after it updates boot manager, it will give this message. Just click OK. Now you're done. After changing the boot screen, now we need to change the login screen. The login screen is the place where you log yourself in, the place where you enter your password to log into your desktop and other things. Now we are gonna use the Windows 8 login screen, but we are gonna modify it a little bit, and I'll show you how in a second. Now just extract these two zips, they are in the description. Okay, so now let's go to change our login screen. Now go to this default logon. Okay, so now in this background page, just right click it and click edit. Now resize it to whatever resolution you have. I have 1366 x 768. Okay, so now just take this color and repaint it, whatever. Now just click save. Now I hope you guys have PowerPoint or at least Photoshop. Just use any of them, and now we are gonna edit this photo a little bit, and it's gonna be really a little bit, don't worry about that. Just go to design, page setup, and click 16:9 on screen show. Now after doing that, just copy this background to the PowerPoint slide we just made. Now just zoom out to whenever it fits your resolution. Okay, so 60% is fine for me. Now in this picture we are gonna just add some little text and all. Now first of all we're gonna add a little text. And the text would be Windows 7 and something modern name. Not that. Anyways, we're gonna name it something modern, and let's name it this Windows 7 Infinity Ultimate. I know that sounds really bad, but forgive me please. Infinity Ultimate. And now we're going to set the fonts to Seago UI. We're going to enlarge the font, and then we just need this Windows to be in Seago UI, and 7 and Infinity Ultimate need to be in Sequel UI Lite position. Now it resembles the original logo now. Okay, so we're gonna zoom out more and just give it a center, or now this won't be in center. Just do it here, cause you've got a button right here in this position which would overlap windows. Now just change the color to white, and let's not add borders. I was thinking to add some borders, but I just imagined how it looked, how it would look, so let's not add. Now we need this Infinity Ultimate to be a little small, and this would be fine. Now we need a Windows logo. Now we are gonna get the same Windows logo the Start Orb has. Now just search, in fact I have that image in description, but I'm gonna get it anyways. Just search for Windows 7 logo white on Google Photos and you're gonna get your results. Now after coming here you might see a lot of Windows 8 pictures, but we need this one from Wikipedia. Wikipedia source to everything, and also we need this thing also. Now after we've got this logo, just first let it load, and then we need to save it as a file. And okay, so it's loaded now. Now just we need to save this image as, and in your desktop, and then copy it to PowerPoint. Now you would get this black image which totally doesn't suit this wallpaper. Now we are gonna resize this image and change its color. First of all, let's change this color, and we're gonna recolor it to grayish color, and then we're gonna give it artistic effect. And you guys know what effect is this. It totally resembles the style of Windows 7. This effect is the plastic wrap. And now let's resize this. I think this looks good, maybe. But anyways, now that we have got this copied, just get this again, get the same image again, and then copy it again to PowerPoint. Resize it to a suitable size. Now we are gonna give this as a background effect. Now we got this background. Now we've actually done it. Now we just need to change its color to bluish kind of, and here we have it. Now it actually resembles this thing, but we won't keep it here because just here is just a button which would overlap it. So we're gonna put it here maybe. No, let's not. I'm really confused about where to put it, but let's just put it here. We will see for it, and be sure that this logo should cut from here because we are making it a little Longhorn style. If you guys have seen my video of Windows Longhorn, then you might know what I'm talking about. Now our wallpaper is prepared, pretty much not. I'm a really bad image designer. You might design it whatever you want, but just be sure that it won't overlap this place, just like this. Now just select all of these and click save as a picture. Now you may see I have got another picture right here, but it does not look good, but I will include the link in description for that also, just in case if you like it. And here we have got half of our picture done. We just need to crop this out. Just click select, and from wherever you've got this pic, just select its resolutions. Okay, so after selecting, just cut it and paste it again, and this is our final wallpaper. I know it does not look good, but as I said already, you may design of your own if you want, but be sure to follow the rules or some errors might come. Now we need a Logon background changer. I have got the link in the description for that also. Now just launch this program using this icon. Now you can see, if you like this image, I'm gonna just link in description, but still I'm gonna choose this for now because I just made it. So yeah, let's apply it. Okay, so now it's applied. Now we need to change the interface of our login screen, and that can be done with two files. It needs you to change your system files, and trust me, they won't harm your system at all. Now we need to go to the same folder of Logon and just choose whatever architecture you have. I have 64-bit architecture. I'll choose AUTHUI. Open another instance of Windows Explorer, go to C drive, Windows, and then go to System32 and paste it there. You won't simply paste it, just first of all search for that file now. Okay, so here we've got the file. Just take its ownership by the registry I have provided in the link. First of all you need to install that registry to take its ownership, and then rename it to something like this thing. I have just renamed it .dll.back, and it stands for backup, and I have already pasted it. You cannot delete it, just remember that. You won't delete it, just type its name to whatever you want, just don't delete it because you cannot. Now after pasting it in system32, if you have a 64-bit system and you are copying the 64-bit file, just go to syswow64, and in this folder you have got another instance of your 64-bit files which support your 64-bit architecture. Now in here we need to search for that auth-ui again, and we're gonna find it deep inside, I believe. Okay, so here's our file. Now rename it again and save to whatever you want, and again paste the auth-ui you just copied. Now the file auth-ui has done its work. Now you need to copy the second file, base brd. Again go to Windows folder and then to branding and then to basebird, and then just paste it there. You won't be able to paste it like that, just change its name to whatever, just as a backup. Just don't delete it. It can be deleted, but just don't delete it. And now we are finally done. Oh, we are not. We need to change our wallpaper, and I'm providing that wallpaper in the description, which I'm going to choose. And now we are finally done. Just comment how does it look, how does this desktop look. And now for our boot screen, I cannot show you the boot screen because it's in process of Windows. It just loads Windows, so I cannot record there, but I can show you the preview of boot screen through the program we just used. It's the Windows 7 boot updater. We just used that. Now we edited a lot here. I need to do it again now, just in case. Okay, so it's done. We need to select the color. Okay, no, it's done. Let's see the preview of our booting screen. Okay, doesn't look half bad actually. First of all, for now I'm just reversing the frames. Now the boot screen will start, and here we've got the loading screen which will just loop until Windows has loaded. So that's it. Now anyways, that's it for today, and now I won't be making any videos until September 30th, because my exams are coming, as I told in the beginning of this video. So that's it for this video, guys. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also share this video to other sources.